to one of the top page. We have to get this to one of the page, and we have about 100,000 people. Who are on that page, yeah? About 100,000 people, brethren. Yeah, man. Because here we go on now, we have a serious election that come up, you know. Plus, we have other things to talk to people about, you know. We have a serious election that come up. And we need to have a platform, or we need to have some platforms. Yeah, man. To put forward the real thing where we know say the real thing and the right thing where we are put forward. Yeah? Because listen to me. We have one con man. Yeah, man, I try run the country. We have one of the biggest con man when me ever come across, and the wickedest three-card man when me ever come across. I try come take this country. Try come run this country. Yeah, man, I one of the roughest con man. This a man, yeah? This a man, yeah? The con where the oppressors them, where female ancestors them sell black people, the man have it lock. It printed na the man DNA, brethren. The con. Where them con African people and take them into captivity. Because them tell them, say, sit now, come save them, all kind of something. And they must give up them riches. If go to a place where there will be greater riches, and it up in the sky and one bag of foolishness. That con man, where we have a try come represent you right now, him get that printed name DNA. Yeah, man. That man not supposed to go nowhere near Jamaica House. No, the man not in figure gate. Yeah, man. The man just remind me of the people them where do history. We study history, and the people them where study politics and them thing that we're honest. You see, are the honest people them, you know. And that's the problem we have to in our society, you know. You just have some people who don't honest. That's why I say politics and religion are the same thing, you know. Like they go hand in hand. Yeah, some people will read something in the Bible, you know. Like in Numbers 31, where we have some brethren argue about a reason about 2 days ago. And the reason it was spilled over to yesterday. And I said to the man, them say, you have a problem with a deity. I tell a man, say, go war with some people. See? The man go war with the people, and the people, them, the soldier, them bring back some women and some children. And the man said to the soldier, them say, take a woman and the children, them, we are not virgin, and go unalive them. That in itself, you know, me can't pass that, you know. Me don't know how some people read past that. And no matter how you point it to them and say, yo, this this wrong be, this not right. A man I tell you, a man make all manner of excuse. A man I say, yo, a God, you know, and from God say it, you know, it have to go, you know. I mean, I say, no, man. First thing, me not believe no God said that, brethren. That I first thing. Me not believe no God so wicked. Yeah. And if me put my, if that were to happen today, yeah, in a real life. Yeah. If me say America, if me say my country, Jamaica, go to war, I say Jamaica is victorious. Yeah. And the soldier then bring back some women and children. And the Prime Minister, my Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, when me rate, my Prime Minister say, why you bring back the woman them and the pitney them? Carry them out and unalive them and take the little virgin girls them for yourself and give me 32 of them. Cause that number say, you know, God take 32 of them to himself, you know. The little pitney them, you know. The little virgin them, you know. Me can't get past that, brethren. No matter how you want to be religious, no matter how you want to usher me out, no matter how you want to fireburn me, no matter how you want to say me ungodly, me nah get past that. Me don't even want, bless me. I them think that me left church, you know, people. Because when me ask question and I say, yo, why God did I do this? A man a go tell me, say, God, me not fi question it. Me I say, no, man, that can't pass my moral compass, brethren. That can't pass my conscience. When me look over and see my youth, them, and see my daughter, them, and see my little picnic, them, me I say, no, 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 no. That too gruesome for me, brethren. That too heavy for me. If that a go make me go to hell, my flight already booked. And at the same thing with politics, brethren. No matter what you show people and say, yo, look what the people them do to we. Look what PJ do to we. No matter how you show them. No matter how you show them and say, look how Beverly Manley. See, Beverly Manley come and tell you the truth there. Beverly Manley said she did have one husband where she a lead. Because she was a rebel. And she didn't want one bad man. She didn't want one rebel leader. That woman, they tell us straight. Say, yeah. And she did a press Michael Manley button. Based on my understanding of what she has said. Yeah. And what happened to it? We as little youth go a shop. And we can't get a pound of rice to buy by itself. We can't get a pound of flour to buy by itself. We have to buy it with something when I have nothing to do with cooking. And no matter you point it back to people who say them are comrade and them can't be honest and say, yo, and a big people them too, you know, and that are wickedest thing, you know. And the same thing with religion. And some old people that tell we come after them, we look on the thing and I say, it don't make no sense. Hear them no? The man was the greatest prime minister. The man did want we get free land. The man did want we get free house. But at what expense? Well, by taking where people will work for them things own, to give people where you claim say I suffer. The Michael Manley wouldn't have no sense, people, because Michael Manley really want to do something for black people as a white man. He wouldn't want to take where the people them will work for them things and give to other people. Him that go straight to the British state. Him that from them time that him and him father should have champion for people get reparation. It shouldn't be it should even sound like take away from the rich people and give to poor people because they suffer. Because some of them people where I go take away them things and give to poor people. I work for them things. Come and buy up them things too. Some of them come from foreign and come invest in Jamaica. So yeah, it sounds nice, it sounds good, it sounds say, yeah man, a real thing man, you mean them people they have, and from them time they till now, we as a people still a grudge people and a ready eye people when we see them have things, you know. To that from Michael Manley implemented grudge and bad mind in our system, you know. As simple as it take, you know. Till we start our grudge and bad mind and we own a poor brother and sister, you know, as they make a money so we want dirt them, you know. And take it away, you know. And Michael Manley implement that in our system, in our society, you know, make people bad mind and ready, you know. When Michael Manley tell the people, them say, yeah man, you can't catch the next flight. And the people start pack up and left Jamaica with them business. The people start suffer. And no matter how you talk to people like idiot you recharge them, and some look at other idiot we are run around the internet forget a paycheck from the PMP. Some big man is supposed to teach we. And some big old man is supposed to teach we, you know. So old man, you know, man not even have teeth, you know. And them fear teach we and not tell we say, don't make that mistake there again, you know, brethren. Instead of the man they come and a war, them that want to start war with we. Like the man them that want to get all tribal to the point where them that want to analyze we. If they may have a chance to analyze we. Fear point out things where them, the big man, them should have point out. Them big man there. You Richards them and Ingram them and them man they wanna sleep on the internet, brethren. That's all man them, you know. And instead of the dog shit them, fi point out to we and say, don't make them mistake there again. The man they on the internet a justify and a romanticize the wicked people that will mash up Jamaica. And that's a problem. And no matter how you show them and say, yo, we never have no deficit at this point. We did have a strong NIR. Yeah? Mean money in a saving. Where Andrew Wellness call your lunch money. See, put away money. They sit where your mother call, put on something to rainy day, for rainy day. And that are the NIR, you know. Something for rainy day, you know. Where your mother teach you, you know. Put away something for rainy day. And that your mother teach you, you know. No matter how you show them, say, yo, when them come the NIR, we have money night, and when them left it now, the money night, or money reduced. Them can't see that, and I say, yo, at that your mother tell you, know, if you put on something for a rainy day. So when them mess up everything and then destruction hit we on top of that, we suffer. And them can't understand it. And people are going to argue with you. People are going to tell you, say, yo, Michael Manley do this or Michael Manley do that. We not have no questions that Michael Manley may have done some good things like going to Jamal because people couldn't read because they come out of slavery and can't read. But the things them if we move forward, it mess them up. It mess it up for the generation to come we can read. So yeah, when you can point to Jamal and say, yeah man, him do Jamal and all them people who did a got Jamal, some of them gone, pass off gone long time, and the generation they are now I feel the after effect. The aftermath. Of them they are feel it now. You see what I say? I mean, no say just like how me I say this, you can find evidence on both sides, you know. If you point to me and say, but show me evidence, brethren. Because I not go see it and tell you say it not there, you know. Show me the evidence. Show me say Andrew Wellness do this. Nobody come tell me about a 28 bank account, brethren. Because me have more than that be. Nobody can tell me saying thief bolt money, brethren. Because me are not idiot, me are not dunce. Me say man put in the money in the thing and the man money mature, brethren. So me are not dunce to go run with that, brethren. Nobody show me that be. Show me something when me can say me done it Andrew Wellness. Because me are not idiot be. Show me. You can't show me. Or you not show me yet. Show me. Come present it to me. Say, see it here. Andrew Wellness do this. You see? But I come tell me say, yo, where you get the money from? Where you get the money from? Where you get so much money from? But you know, question PJ them where PJ them get so much money from. PJ them richer than Andrew Wellness. You know, question where Mark Golden money there. After him get millions in the FinSat meltdown, in the economy meltdown, you not ask me. You not tell me or show me which part fee money there. But you ask me where the black man money there. And you can't prove to me say in thief no money from taxpayers. You can't prove that. We put up, we and the other labor right them. And me telling you say me we stand security feet. We put up over 40,000 US dollar. And some pound, and some goat, and some pig, and some board, and some all kind of thing we put together and pull together and we say, show it. Where the man thief from the taxpayers, and we can't show it. I want to love sue. So if we could have show it, we would show me. And if me not pay, we would sue me. Because we love sue. But see man a show how he making money and not him a see it, you know. I show the man a show how and the next man a be a can, the next man a sell you know. Mark Golden a sell beer can. Andrew Wellness a show how you can eat a food, you know. The man say, yo, the highway. Buy some shares. The man tell the next thing, say a bank soon come forward and you can buy some shares from a bank when the man one bank something, you know. You know me buy a bank name, you know. I tell the man, you can make little ends meet, you know. The man say, yo, buy some shares. 22,000 people subscribe. All me night too. Then me could have hear say shares are sell for a highway. I mean I buy shares on the highway. No, me scrape up on money. Me I make scrape up a thing and buy some shares. And the wickedest thing, me dey on the cruise when it announced and we find ways of to try buy a little. Because you will go on the highway there in a bridging. In a 10, 15 years to come or 20 years to come, you know, you see a highway there with the whole of land on the side. I be a gas station, a shopping center go there all the way go a country, you know. From town, you know. I be a shopping center with some Gucci and some Prada and some supermarket and some sitting and some shopping center and some gaming centers and some whole pass something that go on, you know. Just like how the man develop St. Thomas in a virgin. Who did buy a little land out of St. Thomas right now? Good, you know. They may have a family member who buy some land over Portmore. And right now the man land nice. Worse if Portmore become a parish because the PMP then can't get a court for the PMP them just to punish the Portmore residents them. The PMP then can't get a court. And fool people are can tell me say are the right thing for a challenge if Portmore become a parish. So Portmore, your parish, not supposed to benefit from the money where you are pay for taxes in a your parish. Then we have Senegal, St. Catherine, over Spanish Town and all, but they want to take your money carrot. And when the investigation come up now, you hear all kind of billions of dollars missing. And you hear who get money out of your hard-earned tax money for do illegal activities. So why the people at Portmore would have bite off them nose to please them face? Politics. And politicians can play upon them emotion and play upon their mind and say, yo, I trick them, I try to trick you for give a parish, you know. How me if I try to trick you for fix up your place? Explain that to me. Explain how Andrew will this to get some vote. And that them I try to tell us, you know, how I vote them a look. And you not even look on a bigger picture and I say, all right, let's say I vote them a look. Because politics. You know, look and see a city I go develop. You know, look and say they can spend back some money out of health and turn it back into what we used to better than what we used to have. Because enough of the sea take back the course. So they can come out look more closer to the road and put up at the stall them when we get the best fish and festival come from Vaelsha. Fort Clarence and them place they want to fix up back. We need to start up some more stage show and something back over Fort Clarence we used to keep one time. I make the money stay in a Portmore. How you fight against that? You know, it's politics and religion are the same thing, people. You know, it's the same thing. No matter how you tell people and try to open them eye. Still asleep. Eh? How you fight against or agree with nobody we are challenge your place becoming having its own autonomy. How you fight against that when you live there? And you now know say, yes, how me live? Me that, you know, if me live at Portmore, you know, what me that petition for? A border. Me that say parish? No, we don't want parish alone. We want a border. If I live at Portmore, I want a next toll booth around the next side where people have to come to a show ID if you come in there. Oh, Portmore? Oh, you come to one place and take your license plate number. So we know who comes in and who goes out. So any crime over there, we know where come from. If a stranger come in there, we know who. Yes. A digital era we live into. Every car will come through that recorded and documented. Bet you, if a disaster, God forbid, strikes. Because remember when Siaga them did have a vision for Portmore, people that say a dumb plan, you know. Nobody couldn't believe say that could have built up, you know. And me nobody no house over there, you know, because me did hear where people say the sea go take back its course, you know. Me not buy nothing at Portmore, you know. I when land a house are cheap at Portmore, you know. Me not buy nothing, you know, because people did that say a dumb plan, you know, brethren. So we no go on like say we never did around when people say that, you know. We did that out. Before Portmore developed, people that say a dumb plan and the sea go take back his course. Now people are come and fight feet. If something should happen over Portmore, God forbid, brethren. Zane? Then people we are talking now look on, you know. You think the people them who not sending no tax money go fund outside of Portmore? You don't think them are going to look for you? You think say them are going to creep up some things and come go, no? And come save you, no? And help you, no? God go with you, no? But that's how it go. When it comes down to religion and politics, we fool. We not think. Oh shit, I can't drink yesterday, no. Jesus Christ. Me have to keep on lubricating the vocal box. Busy moment. Yeah, man, ask a question, my G, man. Ask a question. Alright, so me unlock one code already. It's go live for 30 minutes. Me done that. So it's a two more thing me have to do. It said me have to go live for 2 more days. At a step 2. See? God know why me I do this, you know, because you go and know. This not even gonna make no change, you know. Because people just fool star. Excuse me, sorry. So you have to type your question, my G. Yeah. Man, them think religion and politics share some similarities, but fundamentally different. When I talk about it in the context of how people will see when things deserves critical thinking and honesty. So me I say, I'm speaking in another area there. When it comes down to honesty and critical thinking, religion and politics destroy that, virgin. We not think critical and we not, you know, and we're not honest. Because I think enough people know what we are saying. You know? Enough people know exactly what we're talking about. But you know what? Them two PMP. And if I labor right at the problem, them two labor right. Them two green and them two orange. The same thing with religion. Them two righteous. I see him in other regard them may I reason upon. Understand what I say? When it comes down to that, brethren, yeah, there's no question. All right, so busy moment. Busy moment say, politics is predicated on manipulating people purely for material gain. Then what you think religion is? Or you think, remember say religion come before all politics, you know? So what do you think religion is? What do you think religion come by? What do you think they create religion for? Huh? How that they create religion for manipulate people, brother? For personal gains? And the same thing, bro. So you never know that? You never know say that they create religion for? You think they could have controlled so much people around the world? All these different Western ideologies, doctrine, dogma. You believe said it could have worked all the way in Africa, from Germany and from the US and from England and from Italy? You're mad, man. I create them thing the brethren for drive fear in our people. And once you drive fear in our people, Zane, people are going to do as I say. Or people are going to try to do what it takes not to be destroyed. Yeah? So, anything will drive fear, brethren, a manipulation, bro. Any man create anything for drive fear in our people, a manipulation. Trust me. 100%. That's the reason why I not subscribe to no God in no book, you know. No, star. If something really create the universe and create the earth and create everything, me know say me good with it, brother. 100% good with it. Because here we go on now. Me not have none of the attributes. When me see some people will say, them a serve one God in the Bible have. Me no thief. Me no thief. Me no unalive people. Especially innocent people. Right? Me no top trouble pitney. Me no shaky. None of them sitting there. So me good. Is it? You will believe in it are still a thief, still a trouble pitney, still a hate people, now no loving you, now no empathy. Me sorry for you. So me good. But me never need it to be good. Me just feel like say goodness just in me, brethren. And I me call God, you know, the good within me, brethren. Me can't subscribe to nothing with hurt people, innocent people, nothing. Whether human being or spiritual deity, we hurt people, can't get my support. Whether politician, government official, nobody will hurt innocent people, can't get my support. Yeah. And no oppressor. Pitney, we come boy a come put chain or take off chain and mimic what happened to my ancestors them in slavery cannot get my support. Me reject that with every ounce of my being. Yeah, man. So me good. But religion, brother, a manipulation, brother. Big manipulation. They manipulate the slave them when them tell them somebody can save them. So they go and work. What bigger manipulation than that you could have? When the slave then I chains and the shackle. And they were told because they start get rebellious and want to fight for their freedom. Because they realize say, no sir. That's something on the right, you know, and they start team up and what them do? Them not take some of the good slaves, them send them go learn English. And send them go to England go learn for preach. And then come back and preach to the slave them on the plantation and tell them say somebody in the sky go save them. Them what bigger manipulation than that you are. Come on, brother man. Give me something better, bro. Don't worry yourself, man. We soon can go live. We soon can bring up on the platform. I first day. I have to go live 3 times. But we'll get back to the conversation, Amaji. Yeah, man. Respect. But back to the conversation we may make still. I'm going to wrap it up here now because we passed the half hour I need. See? Someone say you can do it in 1 day, 3 times for 30. Alright, so I jump off then and jump back on. Alright, good one then. Alright, let me jump off and come back.